Hi, I'm Dr. Philip Godot, and I want to invite you out to our Easter services. This coming Easter on April the 8th, we have a special services at 5:30 a.m., then our Sunday morning also 7:30, and then also 11:30 and 7 p.m. here in North Sacramento, 2667 Del Paso Boulevard. Again, 5:30 a.m., 7:30, 11:30, and 7 p.m. And then in Elk Grove, I will be in Elk Grove we have a 9:30 a.m. that I'll be speaking at, and a 6 a.m. service. So 6 a.m. and 9:30 in Elk Grove, 9499 East Stockton Boulevard. Again, 6 a.m. and 9:30 in Elk Grove here in Sacramento, 5:30, 7:30, 11:30, and 7 p.m. Looking forward to seeing you here at either Sacramento or Elk Grove or any of our other locations. We have many locations. You can call our office and find out where there's a church, a Calvary Christian Center near you. Believe me, if we're not near you, complain and we might start one by you. Okay? So looking forward to seeing you on Easter. Special invitation to me. I'm personally inviting you out for our Easter services. Never going to be the same again.